What it do? Big boy RT. We back in the cut. Another week. You feel me? It's overly cold outside. I think I told you I was trying to do that 180-degree thermostat from Mishimoto. Got that joint right here. You feel me? I low-key had this for like a couple weeks already, but I didn't replace it because I was still going through all the cooling problems. But hopefully I'm straight now. So we finna get this in there. So they say hopefully this will keep my car like super cool, like at 180. We finna get into this install. Yes, sir. I think what you're gonna need is obviously the thermostat. They said like get a bag for like the cooling won't drop on your alternator, I'm pretty sure they said, or something else down there. Take these two bolts off, the 13mm. Then you're gonna have to get that good flathead, you feel? Should be pretty solid. Probably, yup. Cut that, yeah. Good bag. Obviously, make sure the whip not hot. I was finna do this when I just started my whip. So make sure it's cool. Burn yourself. And you're gonna need some good coolant. You feel me? Don't get on me. Only reason I got this, like I be keeping that in my car regardless, because I told y'all I was leaking coolant for like the longest. And then on the weekends, Mopar don't be open. It's my first time doing this shit too, so hopefully I don't mess nothing up, man. I don't even know if this 13 fit. Oh yeah. Might have to get a longer one. 1 second. But I got just a little one. Oh fuck. Shit. Alright, so you just gotta be quick with this shit. This motherfucking not even getting looser. That did not work as I planned. Y'all try to do better as me. And it don't help. I just had my water pump and shit replaced, so I'm already know they did this shit with an impact. Finally got these bolts loose, man. Telling y'all probably not gonna have the same problems as I do. But you already know we doing this myself, boy. So just unscrew those bolts. You get them loose enough. How long these bolts is, bro? Got the first bolt out. Bolt not even that long. Took forever, man. Crazy. Probably gonna get some more coolant that fall out right now. You pop this open. Got that. And you just okay for sure. Okay, so now it's kind of decent. Then you're just gonna do exactly the same how they got it in there, basically. Y'all already know though. Sir, this black piece was already off that thing when I opened the bag. Y'all already know I'll be having difficulties with every install I'll be doing with this whip. We're gonna get this bit knocked out, gang. Then we're finna go slide this whole. Oh, bro. Match that joint up. Make sure that breather hole's like with the breather hole or whatever. You just take it. Then you seen all that coolant fall out, but it should be simple as that. You put it on this side, stop the coolant. Then boy, I'm gonna have to take this bit to the wash though for sure. I got hella coolant spilled. That bag saved a lot. I still got that bitch wet though. God damn. Basically now you just bolt this back in. Then you gotta start the car let it run for a few minutes. Make sure the heat blow hot, and I'm gonna show y'all that. Give me a minute, I'm finna get these screws back in. Yes, sir. Yo, but you gotta start this thing up, then blow your heat to on blast. Make sure your heat work. We gonna go slide this bit in a little bit for sure. Alright, put that heat up. Oh dang, I low-key forgot I was like, I forgot Lil Uzi was in that bit T. Gonna get that good copyright. Nah, but bro, if y'all do this mod, definitely do it yourself. Shop, called shop this morning like, yo, how much put in a new thermostat? They're talking about some $250. Hung up the phone instantly and like, what? Like, what are you talking about, dude? They be tripping out here. So I've been in here for about like 5 to 10 minutes possibly. Heat running fully. I think this is the highest we got to so far, 185. I think we all Gucci. I'm gonna turn it off, then turn it back on. But hopefully this thermostat is definitely putting in that work. Cause if I'm cooling at 185, like my car used to be like factory OEM thermostat in there, and it'll get up to like, I think the hottest it'll go is probably like 215 or something like that. Give me the Mopar, nigga. Yo, my boy, he got that GTA. Yo, hell yeah, he got that bit back there on God. But yes, sir, I think we Gucci. Next video, y'all probably gonna see me. I'm finna show y'all a quick way to do that engine bay from Walmart. 20 bucks. I swear to God, this engine finna be looking like a brand new engine straight out the mother freaking float room. 2024. Nah, but for real though, I'm gonna get this engine clean. I got this thermostat. Hopefully everything run good. I'm gonna see what the temperature at right now. 192. So I really want to know. I'm probably not gonna be able to see what it's going to go to until I start driving it. But y'all already know I'm just gonna pop out and slide in like an hour or two. I'm gonna wait for the homies and shit, and we finna get some sliding in. Man, if y'all watch this video, man, I appreciate it. Y'all already know Big Boy RT. Y'all already know weekly uploads. Make sure y'all subscribe, hit that like button, all of that. Stay tuned for new content. Wrap coming soon, very, very soon. Y'all stay tuned. New wheels, everything. This car finna be different by summertime. I'm telling y'all that right now. Stay tuned with me for sure. If y'all got any questions on the install, y'all already know, hit me in the DMs, Big Boy RT. Comment on the video. I got y'all for sure. Big Boy RT. Yes, sir. That bitch gonna set you. Oh man, y'all get in tune. Rapping Racks on IG. These niggas on Yelp. Y'all on Yelp? All that, everything. On bro, get in tune with their ass. On bro. Right here in Des Plaines. Local as hell for west suburbs. Get sitchy, man. But bro, this is a 5.7. This bitch hard as hell.